Life's choices often feel like a high-stakes game of chess. Every move counts, and sometimes the biggest challenge is facing off against yourself. Your moves against the world, and sometimes it's you against yourself. Don't play against yourself. Whether it's battling fear, navigating pressure from others, or trying to make sense of a world in constant flux, all these factors shape how we make decisions. How will you move forward today?
Disclaimer statement. This video does not apply to those with mental and/or physical disabilities, those who take care of their parents, or another person with a live-in arrangement, those who are married or have intimate partners where there is an understood agreement in place. Now, back to the video.
You are the king. Your home is your throne. Let's talk about opening up your home to another person that you are not in an intimate relationship with. When you allow another adult, regardless of gender, someone who is not your partner, to live in your home for a long period of time, you're not just giving them space. You're giving them access to your peace, your privacy, and your daily rhythm. And the impact of that decision is far greater than most people realize. Let's talk about it. The appeal of it all. At first, the idea seems simple. You offer help. They get stability. You both save money, share chores, and keep each other company. On the surface, it feels like the responsible, compassionate choice. And in some ways, it is. But here's the parts we seem to not see before making that decision to say yes. Over time, subtle shifts begin to take place. Your home, once your sanctuary, no longer belongs entirely to you. Your moments of silence are interrupted. Your routines bend around someone else's habits. The mind notices these changes, even if you try to ignore them. The boundary problem. Without clear boundaries, roles begin to blur. Are you a friend, a landlord, a caretaker, a maid, or something in between? Resentment grows quietly. Not in loud arguments, but in small, unspoken frustrations that build day by day. The emotional load. Living with another adult means absorbing their moods, their stress, their habits. You start carrying weight you never agreed to hold, such as the rising cost of utilities, and often you don't even realize it. Lifestyle collisions, different sleep schedules, different cleanliness standards, different values around guests, noise, privacy, or daily routines. These aren't minor differences. Over time, they become friction, a slow erosion of your mental clarity and emotional comfort. The impact on your relationships.
Did you see that? He totally deserved it.
I know, right?
That was hilarious.
Then there's your dating life. Anyone who enters your world will question why another adult lives in your home. Even if the situation is innocent, it complicates perceptions, trust, and long-term romantic plans.
Oh my God, look at his face. He totally deserved that though.
If there is discord between you and the roommate, this may make the environment feel uncomfortable or awkward when guests visit or when you bring a date into your home.
Did you see that? He totally missed the punchline.
I know, right? That was hilarious.
Especially when they spend more time in what was your home, now shared with another. The roommate may feel their privacy and space has been invaded. The hardest part is ending
but you have
it.
to go.
And when the arrangement
It's not
stops
working
working, asking them to leave becomes difficult. Your desire for peace collides with guilt, fear of conflict, or worry about damaging the relationship. Many people remain in unhealthy living situations long after they've outgrown them, especially between parents and their adult children, simply because they don't want to hurt someone else. And in the end, you become the bad person for asking them to leave. No one considers your plight unless they had the same experience. To those looking on the outside in, your feelings won't matter. A home is not just a physical shelter, it is the center of your emotional life, your rest, and your mental stability. Sharing it long-term without structure is not an act of kindness. It is an invitation to chaos, slow, quiet chaos that creeps into the corners of your peace. When your peace is in jeopardy, you will have no choice but to divert energy that you would have normally used to strategize your life. Now it has to be focused on lowering the stress level in your home and usher peace back into your castle. Before you let someone live with you for 6 months or more, ask yourself, do I have the emotional capacity? Do I have boundaries in place to protect my peace? And what will it cost me if I lose control of my own home? Helping someone is noble, but preserving your stability is necessary. So choose wisely. I realize there may be times you will have to let someone in your home temporarily. If you decide to do so, I advise you to set up a contract defining terms and understanding with a definite ending date, regardless of relationship. If you have been in this type of situation or still are, share in the comments section. Perhaps you could help others that are still dealing with this type of situation.
Chess is strategy, so is life. And your next move, it matters. What move can you make today to get you closer to where you want to be? Keep doing the work to become a better you.
Moving through your life is like playing the game of chess. Don't play against yourself.
If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.